So this video basically covers an important concept of organizational behavior which is called conflict and negotiation. Although I have forwarded a PPT regarding the same, but I just wanted to give a small video focusing on what is conflict, what is negotiation, and what are the strategies to overcome such kinds of conflict. So conflict is basically when people are not agreeing on something. There is difference of opinion. Suppose even in your class, if I give some kind of task and some people agreeing to do in specific way and some people want the task to be done in another way, so in such cases there are chances of conflict. But when we talk in an organization, there are various types of decisions like related to production, related to cost, related to pricing, and in such cases there are chances that people will disagree or people will not find a consensus upon something. So in such cases there are chances of a conflict. One of the most important example is trade union. Sometimes because of cutting in the salary of the worker or laying out of labor, there are chances that trade union will create a conflict. So there are basically three schools of conflict. Some says that conflict is good for the organization. Some says that conflict is because of human nature, and there is a traditional view which says that we had to avoid conflict in all possible ways. So these are the three views: traditional view, human relationship view, and interactionist view. So basically, when we are doing conflict in a positive way, then it is good for the organization, because of conflict, what happens, people disagree with something, they come up with better solutions, they come up with better options, and in such cases sometimes the results or the profit of the organization increases because of conflict. But in times we need to resolve such kinds of conflict, and when we are resolving conflict, it is called negotiation. So negotiation is basically when we are trying to come out with a solution to resolve the conflict. So what are the strategies of negotiation? The first strategy is that you need to bring both the parties together, and in such kinds of negotiation, it is very important that you can't make anyone feel that he's winning and anyone feel that the other person is losing, because in such cases conflict will never resolve. So if you want to resolve a conflict, then the most important thing is that you bring both the parties together, listen carefully the stake of both the parties, and then try to come up with a solution which is acceptable by both the parties, even if not in 100%, but the consensus should be there. So those are the most important thing in a negotiation. First, the most important thing is that you need to listen to both the parties, ask them to give their probable options. When they will give you the options, then try to show that this option will give this much of benefit. There has to be like a comparison between both the options, and then finally, after getting both the options and giving them what will be the benefit of their option, and then with the consensus you can come up with the negotiation strategies to resolve the conflict. Okay, so what is the strategy? That in conflict negotiation you need to bring both the parties into confidence, listen to both the parties, give both the parties due importance. Whatever option they are giving, listen to their options and try to measure their options in terms of benefit. And the options which are having higher benefits should be approved. But one more important thing which has to be kept in mind is that both the parties should never feel that one party is winning and the another party is losing. There has to be consensus, there has to be a mediator who need to resolve the conflict and then come up with a solution which is beneficial to the organization as a whole. So again, I am repeating what are the steps that bring both the parties together. First thing, listen to them very carefully. Don't try to make them feel that one party is winning and the another party is losing. Whatever option they are giving, listen to their options, measure those options in terms of their benefits, and keeping the clear picture in front of both the parties. And then with consensus, you always come up with a solution to resolve the conflict. So this is a small overview about what is conflict and negotiation. because in every organization there are conflicts, but you need to be like very clever in resolving those conflicts, because if you will favor one party, then the other party will think that he or she is losing, and in that case the situation will become more troublesome. So in order to resolve those situations, you need to bring both the parties around the table, listen to them, take them into confidence, listen to their options, try to measure their option in terms of their benefits, and then finally resolving those kinds of conflict, because not all kind of conflicts are bad, conflicts are good, but only those conflicts are good which are beneficial for the organization at large, because in conflict only we can come up with different options, and those options will benefit the organization if we will measure those options in terms of their benefit. So conflict and negotiation is a very important topic of OB, and in order to resolve the conflict, the steps which I have discussed, you need to follow those steps to resolve the conflict and make the situation amicable for the organization. Thank you.